You got the camera?
Yeah. We're at the Poncho Train Center watching the fireworks before we get ready to go in Team Summit. This the Queen Diva. Hey, Lulu.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Shireen.
That camera over here.
Hey. Noonie.
That camera over here.
Jella. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Hey, boy. Stop it, Lulu. Stop it.
I'm the sister-in-law.
What you is?
Sister-in-law.
All right, girls down. Just going on my space. Look at the beautiful fireworks. Yeah, I'm gonna give you one. Brenda, here. Here, boy. Lulu, don't talk about that right now.
What experiment? We talking about
No, what you have in your mouth?
how long is this in our road in our chain?
That's irrelevant.
Look, they think we cool.
Let that go. Right, that's what I just told her. Let that go. That's pretty how that red shooting. That's beautiful.
I saw purple.
I saw purple.
Purple came out a lot. That's tight.
That's hot right there.
Yeah, that's tight.
That was purple right there.
That's just a fake.
Hey, this is the Queen Diva. We're waiting on my daughter Nobi before we go in. We're at Team Summit at the Poncho Train Center in Kenner. We're about to go in there and cut up as I have my Michael Jackson shirt on tonight. Represent my yes, it's going down tonight. You already know I'm so Josephine.
Josephine, Johnny.
It's slick.
That's how they dress on a different color. Not me. That's the style.
Oh,